Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Aroamas Advanced Scar Gel Medical Grade Silicone for Face Body Stretch Marks C-Section Surgical Burn Acne Old New Scars Clinically Proven 30 grams 100 Medical Grade Silicone seems to be the best product for reducing the appearance of scars. The silicone gel worked as promised and allowed the epithelial cells to more easily extend over the surface of a new scar, which assists with healing. It does help fade scars, but you'll need to be diligent about applying every day. Has told me in follow-up the cut and scarring are looking very good very quickly. This scar gel is giving me the same results at a much more affordable price. The only thing is that the size of the tube is small to last you long. It won't give you amazing overnight results, but can definitely see it working over time. It was amazing how quickly the two burns healed with the application of this stuff 3x a day. You could see results the next day, and it took about 5 days to completely heal the burns with no scarring afterwards. She had to have a metal rod and pins put in after she fell and broke her arm. It seems to have done a good job in the other areas of the surgery. You certainly don't need much, but it would be nice to have a slightly larger bottle. Only downside is the size of the product. Wish it came in a bigger size tube. Results are very gradual, but it does seem like it helps, especially for newer scars. The gel is easy to apply and convenient size to put in a purse or laptop bag. It is also a great value compared to getting something similar from a dermatologist's office. The results far surpass that of the vitamin E oil. The scar is definitely improving in both color and texture. Works as advertised. Scar has diminished in size and color after only a few weeks. This product really worked to help reduce the lifting or that bump after you have surgery. Plastic surgeon gave me a sample of a very expensive scar cream that they sell, and it wasn't a surgical scar from stitches, which are likely very narrow for me. Some areas were 2 inches wide and 8 inches long. The bump or raised of the scars seem to flatten a little bit as well. What it seems to do is blunt the appearance of them so that they look more faded. However, once the time was right and the wound mostly healed, she applied the gel consistently for several weeks. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.